Bunbury entered Funbox, a blue 1986 Starlet. The co-owner of the store, Rob Webb, was straight into it with some hot laps, and the car looked good from the outset. The little Funbox pushes out an impressive 150 kilowatts at the wheels. We soon realised that this car had more than we'd expected.
We more or less, we're a retail outlet and we sell to the workshops and have the cars built. The reason we built this car and we're getting it ready for the track battle on the day is just to show that we can do it.
Funbox was kitted with more performance enhancement than a box of Viagra. With the factory 1.3 litre engine receiving Blitz turbo, front mount intercooler, filter kit, V-spec exhaust, full Coney and white line suspension conversion, massive brake upgrade, Lenzo wheels and custom interior.
In Australia, I mean, we look at tuning as far as power, and I don't know that if tuning is essentially all power. I think suspension and handling is a major factor in tuning.
Warren was next up and the Starlet impressed.
This car's certainly got plenty of power. It's actually quite drivable. There's not as much turbo lag as what I was actually initially anticipating. And actually, the brakes on it are really good. Overall, it's a nice little package. It's got a little bit of understeer when you get on the power, which is to be expected. It's just a matter of being as smooth as you can and not get on the power too hard too early.
Next, Paul got in and pushed hard.
Amazing thing, the brakes on this thing is amazing. It's power, it's got a great turn in, just, you know, obviously as a front wheel drive car, you know, a little bit of a turn in understeer, mid corner, but no, it's pretty special.
Concerned that the Starlet might be beaten by some of the bigger horsepower cars, Rob had brought along a couple of time helpers to push it up the order.
It was a late night, but I found a few things that might help them along the way and help the car get across the line.
You reckon you got something good for us?
I don't know.
Oh, hello! You've won! We have a winner!
What about this one?
Hey, I'm alright.
Rob finished the day with a best time of 50.93, Paul with a 49.56, and Warren with a 49.1.